right, I am making this video to make sure that you know how to submit late homework assignments into Canvas, in particular checkpoint scores. Let's see, I'm in student view right now in Canvas, so I think this should be kind of what you see. And if I go into the textbook over here, I can click on this, open the textbook, and then I'm going to go to course syllabus to look at the class. And let's say, for example, that you haven't yet completed the checkpoint for Module 6. I can go down to Module 6. I can click on the checkpoint, and I can do my attempt. And I'm just going to go through this quickly. I'm just going to guess all, no, I'm going to guess all B's. B is my favorite guess for when I don't know something. Oops, I don't know what that is. Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay, well, let's see. Look up a number. Okay, and so once you're done with your checkpoint, then what happens is it tells you your score. I'm not very happy with the score, so obviously I would take it again after I reviewed the attempt to see what I got wrong, right? But at this point now, if I wanted to submit my score to Canvas, I can make a screenshot by hitting a button called print screen. On a different device, you might be able to use your camera to take a picture, or sorry, to use a cell phone to take your picture or something like that. I'm just using print screen. And at this point, you can either, you have to be able to save that somewhere. So I'm going to go to Google and open up a document. A blank document. And in here, I can just Control V. And there's my checkpoint and with my score. And let's see, I'm going to share this with, by making a link. I have to name it first. So maybe I put checkpoint score module 7, or maybe you don't have to write score, whatever, you know what I mean. And then we save it. And then when I get a shareable link, then I can make sure that I can view it. I can copy that link. And then I can go back to Canvas. So here I am, and what I need to do is I need to find that assignment. You could probably find it in different ways. You can look in assignments. You might be able to look in grades also. And then in here, I can look for checkpoint module 7. And when I click on that, it will give me an option to submit the assignment. And in here, I could go to, Google Drive. Boop, boop. Oh, I guess I can't do this while I'm pretending to be a student. That's unfortunate. But in here, what you could do is, I guess I'm going to try to make it so that you could also just use a text box, but you can use Google Drive to upload it. Or if you saved it into a Word document, you can do the file upload thing. I'll also leave a text box so that you can just paste the link inside of the text box. Maybe I could do that now. Okay, so I just went through and changed it so that you can have a text entry. And in the text entry, you can just put the link there. If you press enter after, it will become a live link. Or you could write link. You could highlight it and click on the link thing here and paste the link in there and insert link. And then when you're done, you can just submit the assignment. And what will happen, I'm going to leave student view so that you can see that what happens for me now is when I go home, I will have this assignment in here. It's a to do, and then it tells me that I need to grade your, to change that grade. And so that's the process that I would like you to do when you're completing work late, especially checkpoints. And after I get your checkpoint, I will automatically, I'll just go in and look to see if you have completed more activities, and I will change that grade as well if you complete the activities within the reading. Okay, so you do get points for redoing work. I don't want you to think that you don't. And, if you can do this step for me as you complete that you upload, then I can be on track of making sure that everybody's grades get updated right away. Okay, thank you very much.